Greetings to everyone. Today, I, Bhumika, am here from Class 10C to perform an interesting activity of Class 10 Mathematics from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. In this activity, we are going to learn how to verify the formula of sum of n natural numbers, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. To understand this activity properly, we should first know what is an AP. AP stands for arithmetic progression. It is a sequence of numbers in which the difference between two consecutive terms remains constant. For example, if we have an AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then the difference between every term is 2. Then only we can consider it an AP. Now, we have to understand what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are those numbers which we use for counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Materials required for the same are a pencil, an A4 size sheet, a ruler, a black marker pen or a black sketch pen, crayons colors or pencil colors, and a pair of scissors. Now what we have to do, we have to make a rectangle first with length 11 cm and breadth 10 cm. Because we are taking our AP of 10 terms. Then we have to draw markings of 1 cm on each of the side of rectangle. Then we have to draw the lines joining the markings we have drawn earlier, so that we can make boxes on the rectangle for denoting the terms. Then we have to color the rectangles we have drawn in such a manner that the box in lowest layer means you can see on the screen that in the last line we have colored one box. Then from last second we have colored 2, the last third we have colored 3. Same up till the top layer we have to color 10 boxes in the topmost layer. If we color in this manner and then cut, one will be the replica of other. You can see on the screen and check that we have to color with different colors each line. Then we have to cut both the sides, one colored and then one uncolored. Uncolored will be the replica of the colored side, and we'll use it in visualizing the formula and verifying it. So everyone, now we are going to find our main formula of the activity. The whole we have done was the only thing for fun and to learn this activity for the better. But now is the main concept that we are going to learn through this activity. See, here we have here we have two almost, you can say, triangles. And this is the replica of this one. So, and we know that this, if we put one on the other, it will cover it completely. That means they are of same size. They are of same size because it is covering it completely when we put one on the other. So if we want to find the area of the colored portion, we can half the area of this rectangle. We can make the area of this rectangle half because they both are of same size. So this is what we are gonna do. and verify the formula. Area of rectangle is what we have, length into breadth. And now area of colored portion. What will be the area of colored portion? Half the area of rectangle. We know that it is a half the area of rectangle. So 1 by 2 into L into B. Now area of colored portion will be 1 by 2 into 10 into 11. As we have length 11 and breadth 10. And we know that commutative property holds in multiplication. So we can interchange this. Now the next step, we will mark it as equation 1. Then we find the area from a second method. Which method? We have this colored portion, and we know that the area of one square of 1 centimeter will be 1 into 1. Yes. So what we'll do? Area of 1 square is equal to 1 into 1 square unit, and we know that each of them holds the number of squares increasingly. So area of first strip will be 1 because it has 1 square. Area of second strip will be 2 because it contains 2 squares. Then 3 and so on. So we'll write here area of first strip. What is it? Area of first strip 1 square unit. Area of second strip is equal to 2 square units. Area of third strip is equal to 3 square units. Now, what will be the area of 10th strip? 10 square units. So, area of 10th strip 10 square units. Area of whole colored portion. Area of whole colored portion. What it will be? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, as from here. So what we will be going to do next, we'll just merge the two equations, mark it as second equation and then merge, because area of colored portion here and area of colored portion here will be same. So we'll write from equation 1 and 2. What do we get? 1 by 2 into 10 into 11 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Yes? So, and it will be so when we will have to find up to 10. See, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to 20, it will be 1 by 2, 20 into 21. This will be the same. So if we write it in general form, then what do we get? Sum First we will be going to find it for n terms. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on up till n terms, and then 1 by 2 into n into. Now what we have done in both the cases, we have added 1 into the same number, then here also n plus 1, and this is now we can find. So if we write it in definition form, sum of n natural numbers will be equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into n into n plus 1. This we can also write as n plus 1 by 2 in whole, and this will be the sum of n natural numbers. So this is how we have proved we have verified this formula of the sum of n natural numbers and n into n plus 1 by 2. I hope you have understand. Thank you.